This video is on rational function sketching. We'll start with the easier one, y equals to 1 over x. According to the function 1 over x, if x gets larger, 1 over that larger value will be smaller. So y values are decreasing as x values are increasing. If x reaches infinity, 1 over infinity is approximately 0. That means x-axis becomes the horizontal asymptote. Similarly, as x reaches 0 or approaches 0, the y value approaches infinity. Now, the second important thing to sketch the graph is to know the y values are positive or negative near the asymptote. Since y-axis is the vertical asymptote, we have to find out if x is very close to that y asymptote, whether y values are positive or negative. So if x values are approaching 0 from the right side, from this side, so what are y values? So obviously x values are positive, that means y values are also positive. So the graph of 1 over x will look like this, since they are positive in this quadrant, all the y values. Now this green line will always approach the asymptote, it will never cut the asymptote. Okay. Now if x values are negative, so they are approaching 0 from the left side. If they are approaching 0 from the left side, that means all the y values are negative for this graph. And if they approach 0 from the left side, y value will approach the minus infinity here. And if x values are reaching minus infinity here, then y values are approaching 0. So the graph will look like this. So again, this yellow line is approaching the y-axis and the x-axis. So y-axis and x-axis are the horizontal and vertical asymptotes.